Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove Temu minimum spend limit. Alright, so let's begin. While this method doesn't work for everyone, many users have reported success depending on their region and account settings. First, open the Temu app on your phone and go to the Use section. From there, tap the support option in the top right corner and then just scroll down to the bottom. Then select Contact Us to open a chat with Temu support. Once the chat opens, type remove minimum order limit and send the message. If the feature is available for your account, Temu may provide a special option or link that allows you to remove the minimum order requirement. Keep in mind that this option is not available in every region. Some users receive the removal link, while others only see information explaining why the minimum order amount exists, such as reducing packaging waste, improving shipping efficiency, and supporting discounted pricing. If you don't receive the option, there may not be a way to remove the limit on your account at the moment. In that case, you'll need to wait and check again later to see if Temu makes the feature available. And that's it. This is how you can remove Temu minimum spend limit. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.